Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video here on my channel. My name is Dan from CryptoRover, and thank you once again for tuning into this amazing video, guys. Today I have a different style of video, but today I will be talking about Dogecoin, and I will be clearing up what I think about it for once and for all, because a lot of people have been asking me in the live chat, Rover, what do you right now exactly think about Dogecoin? Do you think it's still a good coin? Do we still have to accumulate it? But I will be right away giving you my thoughts on this video, what I exactly think about it, and what I also personally will be doing here. So guys, without further ado, let's go right away into the video. But first, make sure to smash up the like button. It would be amazing if you also like this kind of content. So, yeah, let's go right away into the video. So, guys, why do I think the biggest wave and the biggest interest of Dogecoin is behind this? Basically because of the 420 and the Doge Day is all behind us. And of course, these days we're pumping up the price of Dogecoin. Because of these days, we're seeing the prices increase very significantly in a very rapid pace, because people were anticipating a 69 or maybe even $1 for the price section of Dogecoin. So right now, these days are behind us. So that is first of all my reason to think, yeah, the biggest momentum wave is behind us. And second of all, go to the chart, because guys, look at this here. By the way, I'm here also with Crypto Toro. Check out his channel as well. Here he's sitting on working on his charts and on his video, so it's definitely worth to check him out here.
Hello guys, really amazing to see you right here. I'm working together with Crypto Toro today, and I hope you enjoy his new video.
Yeah, it's definitely worth it. So guys, if you look also to the Dogecoin price, it's very interesting. So first of all, you can see and then an insane surge to the upside right now, looking at the daily candles, of course. If I also flip onto the MACD here, as you can see, guys, it looks to be that we are done with the rally to the upside and we're almost having a bearish crossover on the daily. So that's first of all a very bearish thing, because if we're going to see the blue line crossing the orange one, we are of course going to see a bearish crossover on the daily candles. Besides that, on the 4 hour, we are looking absolutely horrible, in my opinion. Even though we are right now having a bullish crossover, but we are still definitely in a downtrend. So for me, it's definitely a reason to say don't buy your Dogecoin right now, because if you're buying Dogecoin over here, and I know it's been surging once again today, it's up 20%, and a lot of people are probably thinking Dogecoin, it is going to give me very good returns. Dogecoin is looking absolutely bullish, but for me, guys, of course, I definitely still think Dogecoin can be reaching the $1. But that is a pretty ambitious target for the moment. I do think it is very likely to cool off, maybe for a longer period of time, because yes, there were a lot of big wheels as well here in the price section of Dogecoin, and they are right now dropping off. So it is also a very good thing here. And I know for a lot of people that are new in the space, and probably if you're seeing that, you also think Dogecoin, it looks to be so amazing. It's only going up here, and you hear all the good stories, but not only you're only hearing the good stories, but not the bad stories. Of course, it had a surge of approximately 62x here, 6,000% surge in just a matter of 80 days. Absolutely insane, of course, if you got rich with it. But I mean, yeah, you're already too late if you want to be buying into it right now, in my opinion. So I should rather say there are so many good projects right now, and of course, Dogecoin is already sitting around 34 billion. So for it to go to $1 means that it has to reach approximately 140, not even less, 130 billion US dollars. And guys, it's reaching the 130 billion US dollars. Will that be enough here for Dogecoin? Are we going to see that very sooner than later? Because we need a lot of money to see a 4x coming in here. And you know, once it's going to $1, you only make your initial, you make literally 300% on your initial. So for me, it's not really worth it to buy it at the moment. And I should rather say maybe you have to be looking to coins like Binance Coin, because yeah, also if you look to Binance Coin, it is probably going to give us way better returns. And we already discussed it in the live stream. But guys, I will be not talking about the Binance Coin right now, because this is a video special talking about Dogecoin. So guys, if you like this kind of content, make sure to smash up the likes, and I will be catching you guys later back, probably maybe with another video here on the channel. So can't wait to do another